sa Tokyo Station, sa Shinkansen, guys. Magta-transfer na kami sa Osaka. Alis ng train is 12:03. Bali, it's Hikari 5:11. Ayan, at least maaga na kami. Nag-check out kami kanina ng 10 AM. So, nandito kami maaga para hassle-free na at stress-free na rin. Ayan, samahan nyo kami guys sa journey namin going to Osaka. Hi guys! Ayan, last day namin dito sa Tokyo, Japan. We're leaving our hotel now. Ayan, here's our room number 1103. Mamimiss namin ito guys. Ayan o, the train is coming. And we're going to Tokyo Station para mag-transfer sa Shinkansen, yung bullet train. Nag-train lang kami papuntang Osaka. We're going to Osaka now. Bye-bye Tokyo. Hello Osaka later. Miss namin to guys. Itong hotel na walang tao. Walang front desk guys. And if there's a problem, there's a number that you can call. Okay naman, tumasagot naman sila eh. Sabi dun sa instruction, just leave the key in the box. Wala naman kaming key. May pin code lang kaming ginagamit. Ito yung lobby guys. Isang big open lobby. Stay. Doon yung nag-check-in pagdating doon nag-check-in. Ayan. So, yun guys. Doon ang JR. Balik tayo sa JR station. And then, we're going to Tokyo Station. Ayan, dito kami kumain kagabi guys. Ayan. Bye-bye Family Mart. Diyan kami pumupunta palagi. Dito sa pagpasok sa JR station walang elevator. So okay naman yung mga luggage namin guys. Ang daming tao guys kasi check out time almost ng hotel is 10 o'clock dito. So sabay-sabay. Nandito na kami sa JR station at Ueno. Ayan. Buti na lang ang schedule namin guys sa Shinkansen is 12:03. Nag-alat talaga kami ng 2 hours kasi para hindi kami matoksi. And then we will buy food pa. Doon na kami kakain sa bullet train. Doon pa ang nakaraan guys. And we're going to platform 3. Guys, merong elevator, buti na lang. Kasi walang escalator. Okay, thank you. Open up. 4番線ホームです。乗り口と反対側のドアが開きます。So guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa platform 3. Sana walang masyadong tao kasi marami kaming malaki kaming maleta. So platform 3 is going to Tokyo Akihabara. Yamanote Sen Tokyo Shinagawa 方面行きです。次は御徒町。Ayan guys, puno yung tren.
No. Sheet.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
最後は1000 OK ちゃんとしていくインサイド
Thank you. Ayan guys, bumili kami ng bento box na food para doon namin kakainin sa Shinkansen. Ayan, at least nakabili na kami. Ayan guys, ang toxic. Okay guys. Get it. Ayan. Okay, tabi muna. Hi sir. So where is this one? So 12 o'clock.
40
Number 14. Okay. Thank you. Platform 14 kami. Platform 14. Toxic. Platform 14 for we still have 1 hour guys. 12:03 yung dating no bullet train. Ayan guys, ang toxic. Nasa toxic ako guys. Ayan, it's a 3-hour trip, 3 hours travel. Kaya bumili na kami ng bento box for our food. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa platform namin pero 12:03 pa yung schedule namin. Punta lang ako sa CR. Kasi guys, maaga kami. Mabuti nang maaga kaysa late, diba? Hi guys, so it's 11:25, so we still have time. Our train is we're departing 12:03 dito sa Tokyo, and almost 3 hours yung travel time namin guys. And excited na kami mag-ride ng bullet train. Ayan guys, kumuha na ako ng JR Pass for 7 days. Ayan, kaya mas makakamura talaga kapag may JR Pass kasi mahal ang charges sa tren. Kumaga nakailang load na kami kasi for our stay here in Tokyo, hindi naman ako kumuha ng unlimited pass. Kumaga hindi rin naman sulit. So, we were advised na to get na lang yung 7-day JR Pass kung papunta na kami sa Osaka. Kasi yung one-way ticket going to Osaka, mahal. So, okay na yon na kumbaga na-cover na lahat. Pero JR Lines lang ang pwede gamitin yung Only Pass. Ayan, samahan nyo kami guys ha. Ayun, dun kami guys. So, nagpa-reserve na kami ng seats guys. Nung the next day na dumating kami dito. Kasi we have big luggage. So, hindi pwede na isasakay mo siya kung hindi mo siya i-reserve. Kundi matcha-charge kami. So, we have reserved seats. Pati yung luggage namin, may reserved seats na rin siya. Ayun. Hindi ko alam kung ito na yun eh. Basta 511. Ikari 511. Hi guys, ayan na yung namin, train namin. It's 11:55 right now. Ang alis ng train is 12:03. Ayan, they're lining up already. But we have reserved seats already. Pati yung luggage naka-reserve na kasi oversized yung luggage namin. So we're at the back. We're car number 12. 20 kami. Reserve eh. We can show them our tickets. And lagay natin 28 minutes. 28 Okay, tanggal na.
A and B tayo, di ba?
Oo, A and B. Hi guys, kain na tayo guys. Bumili kami ng bento box. Ayan. Bago sumakay. Let's open it. Yay! Oh, there's ginger, beef, at seaweeds. I think seaweeds. Ayan. Let's eat guys. Yay! Guys, natikman ko. Masarap siya. In fairness. Malata. We paid 1,300 yata. 1,300 yen. O siguro mga 600 pesos. Ayun guys, nasa Kyoto na kami. Kyoto and then Shin, Osaka na. Malapit-lapit na kami. 30 minutes na lang. Guys, bababa na kami. Shin, Osaka na. Malapit na. Ang bilis lang. 2 hours and a half.